Are you serious? Are you serious? It's a blizzard in New Hampshire, in Massachusetts, about 8 or 9 states. But this is some raw footage. Michelle of New Hampshire sent this to us. There's 1 foot of snow in her yard, and it's just beginning, folks. It truly is just beginning. Check out this footage. That is a sled, and they just put it into the snow just to show how much snow there is. That's over 1 foot of snow that has fallen in the last few hours. And it's just beginning. I mean, it's going to snow all day. It is going to snow into the night there. And you can see it's a whiteout. The wind is howling. 35 miles an hour of wind. There's other places during this blizzard where there's wind as high as 72 miles an hour in Nantucket. So the entire East Coast under a severe blizzard warning. Very, 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 very treacherous conditions out there. And we're praying for everybody in the East Coast. Harvest Army Church International actually prophesied on December the 14th, 2014, that a massive storm was going to hit the East Coast shortly. And it did 5 weeks later. Another prophecy fulfilled in these last days. The Bible says in the last days, God said that he would, he would literally, he would literally send all types of signs and prophecies. We'll be right back, folks, with some more current world events and how they relate to Bible prophecy and this end time apocalyptic scenario that's certainly taking place here. Excuse me for the raw footage. Or it's not the footage's fault. Excuse me for my terrible camera work on this. But anyway, I want to get you just a little bit of a feel of the reality that folks out there have and the fact that we're praying for all of you in the East Coast. God bless. We'll continue to pray for you.